Welcome to this Gallery Teachers Masterclass looking at vocabulary, and in particular, vocabulary use inside and outside the classroom, and some pointers for us as teachers for successful vocabulary learning and teaching. My name is Neil Harris, and in this masterclass, I really want to do two things. I want to question the status quo, the way in which vocabulary sits within the many language systems and skills that we have to teach, and make the point that in my view, it needs to become more centre stage. I'm also aware that many teachers around the world are not quite sure of the best way to teach vocabulary using a kind of an evidence-based empirical approach. So I look at Nation's 4 strands as a way of approaching vocabulary learning and teaching, hopefully to achieve better learning for our students. And in the final part of the masterclass, I look at some suggestions very much based on my own experience as a teacher of English and as a teacher of English who loves vocabulary learning and teaching that I found useful in my own teaching of vocabulary over the years.